The Needham Robotics Club has been in place since Hans Batra started it in 1999. It began as a handful of members, but has grown to between 50 and 70 members. The team is off to a successful start this year, winning qualifiers and hosting competitions for other teams, including one this past weekend. The day was quite successful despite the frigid temperatures in Needham. Here's Catherine Brody to tell us more about their season overall.
If you live in Needham, you've likely seen some competitive sporting events. But how about competitive robotics? The Needham Robotics team are having a successful start to their 2023 season, making exciting wins and hosting competitions for other teams.
3, 2, 1.
Students design, build, test, and compete with robots. We enter a competition called the First Tech Challenge, and each year they get a different set of challenges, and they have to design new robots to meet those challenges and then compete against other teams.
I like it a lot because it helps me learn a lot of important technical skills. Also, it's fun to be around different people and work as a team.
The club is split into 3 teams for competitions: T-10, Liquid Oxygen, and an all-female and non-binary team known as the Hackers.
With another mentor, we decided that trying an all-girls team would be a good idea. Now we have between a third to half of the club being girls, and that team has now become an all-girls and non-binary team.
In addition to expanding to include many genders, they also expand their reach into the community.
Part of FTC, part of like this whole competition thing that we do, is we're sort of assessed on how well we reach out to our interests, STEM, and how well we involve their community in whatever we're doing. So our goal has always been to reach out to like younger kids. We're going to a bunch of elementary schools. We also reached out to like the senior living communities. We've visited senior living homes. We've presented to our school, sort of trying to get as many people involved into the club and knowing that this is happening, to learn and engage in something that we do and something that a lot of us are passionate about.
On the competition side of things, it's fair to say the team has been doing well. At a recent qualifier, the team's problems solved their way out of tricky situations and scored a surprising win.
All teams did very well. The exciting thing of the day was that our rookie team, Liquid Oxygen, ended up beating the first and second place seeding teams to win the entire competition. So it was a very exciting day for Needham High School.
On Sunday, February 5th, they hosted a qualifier for other teams to compete, but will be participating again this Saturday and in early March at the state competition.
I think we want to kind of improve our robots and do even better at that. Every year our goal is to do better and better and achieve more in our competitions and stuff, so that's a big part of it. And then also kind of just like enjoy our time at robotics. We always just like, it's a really fun community, we just want to always have fun.
If you know a high schooler interested in joining the team, there is no barrier to entry as many students learn the skills necessary to compete over time.
More senior students will teach the younger students skills like CAD, engineering design, mechanical design, so they get ready for the next season. But for them to have a place to go where they can have fun and learn about technology and get excited about technology is really our goal.
For Needham Channel News, this has been Catherine Brody.